My future. I just say make I test you, Mama. Mama come, Mama come, Mama come. Mama come, let's Mama come, Mama come. See. Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you? How is everything? Mommy, I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry. I'm not eating since morning. Please, can you help me? You have to give to me now. Let me eat something. But I'm very, very hungry. Please. Why not? Mommy, how many children do you have now? No, I'm just asking. No? 6. Child. But try, like in a day, like how much do you make in this business? Anyhow. Child. I mean, you are really trying. You're really trying well. So all of them now, are they done with school? Some of them, they are done. What of daddy now? What of your husband? He's in the house. In the work. Okay, in the hot market too. Child, like Mama, this food they like this now in this school and now like how much will if you want to sell all this people inside, like how much will it? I don't know. You don't know. Child. But Mama, I want to ask why did you choose to want to give me food? Somebody you don't know. Why that person they want to I'm supposed to give person. Supposed to give them. Even if you know the small one. Yes. I mean, yes. Mama, you're a good woman. Child, thank you. I've not eaten since morning. Thank you. I even have drugs I wanted to take, sir. I'm not feeling fine. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Mama, I don't need to put up for nylon now. Give me spoon. Mama, thank you. Cha. Oh, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Mama, thank you. Mama, I see, this life, not everybody does good. See, as I do the work for road now, you don't know me. I carry side the hungry, you carry food, you give me. How many people go fit do this for me? Mama, thank you for having a kind heart. Actually, Mama, see my video there, see my picture there. I do on video, they video you. So where? Yes. I know. I just say make I test you, Mama. Mama come. Mama come, let's Mama come. See the whole world right now, they are watching you for this little kindness that you decided to show. Because a total stranger. That's where you don't know. Mama come. You're a good woman. Mama come. Child, I just meet you. Tell you side you're hungry. You decide to stop and decide to give me food. Mama, when you enter your heart today, when you see space where you don't know, you carry food, you carry your market give for grand, you give up food. Not the only that's why they do. Okay, that's what they do. Child, mommy, yeah? Give everybody where they have food. Anybody who choose to chop food, give them food. Mama, look at me. For being kind, take this money. Mama, take. I came out today to test people around. People who still get mind to show love. Despite the hardship, despite the situation. People who fit show kindness to total stranger where they don't know. And I decide to test you, and you pass the test. Mama, this is more than 50,000. Take. Please, ma. Yes, ma'am. God bless you. 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 Thank you. Please, ma'am, what do you have to say to the world that is watching you now? Because people are watching you. So what do you have to tell them? Amen. 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 Thank you, ma'am. God bless you, ma'am. I appreciate it. Thank you for the food, though. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.